Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about AI and how it is changing our world. In this video I will be covering the topic like what is AI, current situation of AI, challenges of AI, its application, future scope, advantages and disadvantages, and lastly we conclude all the things, so please watch till the end. Firstly, what is AI? AI is discovered by John McCarthy. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like human and mimic their action. In simple words, AI is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is also a field of study which tries to make computers smart. Current situation of AI. AI is nowadays the most trending topic in ITs and data science. A significant number of data scientists focus on the development of AI systems such as ML and natural languages. At the same time, there is a huge demand for AI system and its application in almost every sector of economic industries. For example, finance, manufacturing, defense, healthcare. Challenges of AI. AI is a debatable topic where some would call it is a blessing in disguise for business, while for some it is a technology that endangers the lives of humankind. AI has affected our life directly or indirectly. In near future, AI would have taken over some major everyday tasks. You will find a lot of information about AI and its application, but not a lot of attention have given to the challenges of AI. Here are some of the challenges we face, like building trust. In this, AI is all related to science and algorithm, which lies on the technical side. People who are who are completely unaware of these algorithms and technologies that lies behind the working of AI find it difficult to understand. It is a basic human psychology that we often neglect something that we don't understand, and AI being related to a huge data and algorithm. Second, human interface. The challenge here is a shortage of data science skill with human to get more output from AI. As for business, there is a shortage of advanced skill investments. Another challenge of AI is that all the business owner or major industry are not willing to invest in it. The fund required to set up and implement AI is very high. Thus, not every business owner are willing to invest in it. Software malfunction. No technology or human is perfect. In case of software or hardware, it is difficult to put a finger on what went wrong. On the other side, tasks performed by human can be traced. However, with machine and inbuilt algorithm in picture, it is difficult to blame someone or find the cause for the software hardware crash. A recent example in self-driving car. Application of AI. AI can be used in many sectors like healthcare for making better and fast diagnosis for human. Business, robot process automation is being applied to highly repetition tasks normally performed by human. Education. It automates grading, giving teacher more time. It also assists students and adapt to the need, helping their work at their own pace. Future of AI. With improvement over speech, voice will change the way how we interact to the device. Personal assistant will become more personal. More and more system run on AI. The advantages of AI. The chance of getting error is almost nil. It can be used to explore space, depth of ocean easily. It can be used in time consuming tasks effectively. it doesn't require sleep or break. Disadvantages of AI: it is highly cost, decrease in demand for human, lack of experience, and many more. And lastly, I would say that AI and ML are product of both science and myth. The idea that machine could think and perform tasks just as human do is a thousands of years old. Okay guys, thanks for watching.